This is the Tecno Camon30 Pro 5G. It has a new design, new camera sensor, improved battery charging time. These are some things you're gonna see in Tecno Camon30 Pro 5G. A 144Hz refresh rate, the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor, support of 70 watts fast charger. Wow, I mean 70 watts fast charger. Not even that, support Android 14. Well, let's talk about other things. First of all, let's start with the unboxing experience. Let's take a look at the box. Opening the box, the first thing you see is the phone. This is the black color. I wish I have the silver color, which have the marble texture leather. That color is sick. Digging into the box, you get the plastic case, and I love how minimalistic it looks. Not even that, you get a glass screen protector, a USB Type-C cable, a 70 watts fast charger, which charges this smartphone from 0 to 100% in 52 minutes on my test. The buttons are placed for easy access. The power button and the volume up and down rocker key are located at the right corner. Support in-display fingerprint and response so fast to touch whenever you want to unlock the phone. Moving to the bottom, the SIM has located at the bottom, which accommodates 2 nano SIM card, no space for SD card. For the performance, this comes with the MediaTek Helio G8200 chipset, and this is the ultimate. It is the 4nm chipset. A very capable chipset. As for the storage, it comes with 512GB internal storage, support of 12GB of RAM, support iOS 14, Android 14 on the bus. Gaming on this device is okay. I love playing game with this device. Everything runs pretty good smooth with the 144Hz refresh rate. Well, you cannot really complain. Here is the impressive Geekbench score. As for the Antutu score, this is the result. Comparing it side by side with the Samsung Galaxy A55 and the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G, this phone score highest. Well, that is by the way. Let's talk about other things. As for the refresh rate, you can switch in between 60 or 120Hz. You can also decide to keep it at 144Hz. Compared to last year Dimensity 8050, this year model features the powerful Dimensity 8200 processor. To be sincere to you, the Tecno Camon30 Pro 5G is one of the looking selling device in the market right now. For the battery aspect, it has a 5000 mAh battery capacity. As for the size of the display, this phone comes with 6.8 inches display, support of AMOLED display. The colors it produces are vibrant and contrastly. It shows 100% of the CIP3 color gamut, which means the colors are accurate. The front glass doesn't have Corning Gorilla Glass protection, but remember they included the glass screen protector in the box. The frame is made from plastic and it's glossy and it attracts fingerprints like no man's business. As for the rail, it's made from glass. If it's plastic, this knife will scratch a hell out of it. We also get a stereo speaker setup on this device, and it sounds really good for the price point. For the display, you get a Full HD Plus AMOLED screen. For the camera, it comes with 50 megapixel main camera sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide lens, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. We also have 50 megapixel selfie camera, which allow you to take beautiful pictures. For the price, it goes around 539,000 naira. So take a look at the price. The Samsung choose to be a little bit higher. It has a feature called wet hand touch technology that allows you to use the display when the water is on the screen or on your hand. In comparison, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max with water on the screen, and as you can see, is misbehaving, almost unusable. So please, if you are enjoying this video, this is a very great opportunity for you to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. As for the camera, these are some of the pictures taken with the 50 megapixel main camera setup. Photos are sharp, vibrant, and detailed, even in low light or challenging environment. For stabilization, the 50 megapixel OIS lens ensures smooth and steady video footage, even when capturing fast-moving objects. So to be sincere, the 50 megapixel main camera setup is a good one. It delivers good-looking pictures and videos. So coming to my conclusion, the price is okay for what it features. As for the screen brightness, it can go up to 1000 1300 nits. At the top is where you see the secondary microphone and the network cable. With the 144 refresh rate, it can be easy for you to use this device under direct sunlight. Coming to my conclusion on today's video, if you are going for the Tecno Camon30 Pro 5G, the main things you have to bear in mind is that you're gonna get a powerful processor, a better camera, best battery life, good viewing experience because of the 144Hz refresh rate. 12GB RAM is what you're gonna get in Camon30 Pro 5G. The design is also a good one. Not even that, you got a 70 watts fast charger. Well, that is by the way for today. If you find this video valuable and the effort I put up when making this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that we get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on next one. Peace out.